So we operated all the switches in the yard from one of these control center, control panel things. Well, yeah, this I've never seen anywhere else. This is the only place I've seen a setup like this on display. Pickle clerk, locker room, rip horn, wheel track. Wow, weird terms here. I like that mirror. The hump console. Huh. The hump console. Yeah, this place is totally a hidden gem. There's never anybody here either. I've been here a few times and you never see anybody here. Alright, well, this is about it. I think that gives you an idea. It's just some old cars on display, but you can crawl around and check stuff out in detail. Cool old fire engine. There's a place around here that has a bunch of old fire engines, and I have to go there and check that out too one of these days. Oh, we'll check this one out. I didn't see this one. Because this is a caboose, but maybe this is one of the later ones. Because it seems like it's got room for quite a crew of people. Interesting. Boy, there's an old one that's in pretty rough shape. Looks like they're doing some work on it. Man, that looks almost like it's just gone. These are so cool because it's like a tractor, but it also doubles as a rail car pusher puller kind of a thing. I still see these out and about.
Well, what do you think?
I like it. I'll take it.
Okay. Where are you from?
I live in the Tulsa area.
Tulsa area?
Yeah.
All right. Well, how'd you find out about it?
I was here several years ago, actually.
Okay.
And I was just happened to be in the neighborhood today, so I thought I'd check it out.
All right. Well, we changed a little bit.
Yeah, it's a very cool place. Very, very cool place.
Thank you.
I really enjoy it. Interesting. Look at this guard car. Huh. Army Troop Train Service. Very interesting. I've never seen such a thing. Ooh. Grungy spongy shower. Oh, look, they got a little bit of everything. Check out this cool. I like the stove. That's pretty sweet. I'm digging it. Oh, wow. That's cool. It has a locking mechanism like a latch. Yeah. Very interesting. Very, very interesting stuff in here. This is a high quality novelty experience if you're near Little Rock. If you're in Little Rock, this is about an hour drive away.
Are you just filming everything?